Okay, Samantha, you got question number 1.
Hey, Nicole, listen to me. You are eating with your daddy and mommy in Jollibee. You see a poor little girl looking at you. She wants a piece of hamburger you are eating. What will you do and why? Kumain kayo ni mommy sa Jollibee. Pagtingin mo sa labas, may isang little girl nang hihingi sa'yo ng hamburger. Ano ang gagawin mo?
I buy them.
You're not going to give your sandwich? You're going to buy another one for them? Why?
Kasi naghihingi po siya.
Hihingi po sila.
Okay, thank you.
Ang bait naman. Thank you, Nicole.
Okay, next.